Hi there, students. Let's try some idioms with box, a box, or to box. Okay, to be boxed into a corner. If you're boxed into a corner, you're forced into a situation which is really difficult to resolve. You can't escape from it easily. You can box yourself into a corner as well. John's boxed himself into a corner by all the money he's borrowed. Yeah, he just can't afford to pay back the money. Yeah, the laws are becoming more and more complicated, and the restrictions more and more, and a lot of companies have been boxed into a corner by these new regulations. So to put somebody into a difficult situation. Okay, a box of tricks. Yeah, I know the skills that you have to use. So a computer programmer should have a varied box of tricks. All the items that you take with you, your equipment. So the electrician opened his box of tricks and took out the tools he needs. So either these are the kit, the equipment that you take with you when you go to do something, your box of tricks, yeah, your camera equipment. So let's see if I've got another lens in my box of tricks, or the box of your box of tricks, the skills that you have to use. He's absolutely fantastic at negotiation, and he has all sorts of things in his box of tricks, the range of different things he can use. This singer has an amazing variety of styles. She has a very varied box of tricks. Okay, and the box office. Okay, the box office is the place where you go and you buy the tickets for the cinema or for a film or for a concert. It's the place, it's the window where you go to the box office and buy the ticket. Yeah. Also, you use this, maybe the box office sales, the number of people who actually went to view this thing. So the film grossed $20 million from the box office, okay, from the sales of tickets. In a theatre or in a stadium, you could have a box seat, a box, the royal box. Normally these are upstairs, and it's like a private area where you can sit and watch a play or watch a match. In big stadiums, a lot of companies own private boxes. Yeah, so I was invited to view the match from his box seat, from his private box seat. Yeah. Boxes are normally much more expensive, or they're reserved for important people. A brain box. He's a real brain box. He's really intelligent. He's really smart. Yeah, he's such a brain box that he can do almost any maths problem in his head. A brain box, somebody really smart. A chatterbox, somebody who's always talking. Yeah, his 5-year-old daughter is a real chatterbox. She never stops talking. Yeah, the old lady next door, I'm going to avoid him because she's a real chatterbox. Yeah, or maybe you're stuck in the cinema next to a chatterbox. It can be rather off-putting. I wish this chatterbox would shut up. But just a chatterbox, somebody who's always talking. So let's look at these. To be boxed in, formality. For informality. to be forced into a difficult situation. A box of tricks, 3.5 informality. Yeah, a range of skills or a set of equipment or even actually a gadget. The box office, the place where you buy the tickets, 5 informality, use it anywhere. A box seat, the royal box, 5 informality, use anywhere. A brain box, really intelligent person, 3.5 informality. A chatterbox, maybe 4 informality, somebody who doesn't stop talking. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. So, boxed into a corner, box of tricks, box office, box seat, brain box, and chatterbox.